Hi, this is Terrell, graphic recorder and creator of Frame the Message Inc. This is Picture This, the webcast series. Let's move on to the concept of shapes. Virtually everything in the world is made up of a series of shapes. Did you know that? For example, look up from where you're sitting. Look at the first thing that captures your attention. What shapes do you see in that image? For example, I'm looking at my computer. It's made up of a rectangle, squares, circles, and from the angle I'm sitting at, even a trapezoid. You can draw anything if you understand the shapes that comprise it. You might have to take a little flashback to your high school geometry class. Some of us remember first learning to draw from those how to draw books. I remember checking them out from my school library. Ed Emberley was my all-time favorite because he always took basic shapes and turned them into fun little drawings like animals and trucks and cute little people. He'd say, to draw a fox, start with a rectangle, add a half moon, a few triangles, add lines, and a dot. Voila, you have a fox. And sometimes they were even simpler, like a series of half moons can make a skunk. Or a turtle. It seems so easy, and it's probably because of him that today I'm convinced that just about anyone can draw. Let's take some time and pay a little homage to Ed Emberley and give it a try. Let's try a house. Now, a car. How about an angry lion? Well, not so much. Observation is really 90% of drawing. Start looking at things in your surroundings. What shapes are they made up of? In the remaining Picture This modules, we'll explore more about shape and form, including three-dimensional shapes like pyramids, cubes, and cylinders. But for right now, practice in 2D. You can make some amazing icons and images just by mastering the art of the shape.